Hi, Duncan from Apollo, your 12 volt specialist. We've just finished installing the electric caravan steadies onto this leisure line, and this is the New Zealand Australian style caravan steadies. We're going to show you how it all works. Come on through. So we're just using a free app on our phone to get the caravan level. So we're using the chassis and the jockey wheel here. Put the phone on the chassis and adjust the jockey wheel until we get our vehicle level. So I haven't put the steadies down yet, and I'm going to show you how unsteady this caravan can be. Rocking and rolling. We're ready to put our electric steadies down. So we can either use the remote control, or we just turn on the control panel and push all down. And then the jacks will just go down by themselves. So here we have the whole system going down, and we've purposely put it into this drain to show how the two jacks can be hit the ground at different levels, and still the feedback comes back to you, to the system, and stops it as required. We're showing here how the steadies can go down at different angles. And with this drain, we've got one outside the drain, one inside the drain, and it will still steady perfectly. So now we're back in, the steadies are down, and this is how solid the vehicle is now. So optionally, when you're putting the jacks up and down, you can just use the individual buttons. So you can put each individual jack up and down independently. So each one of these buttons here coordinates with a different jack. So A and B are your fronts, and C and D are your rears, and you can individually bring them up or down independently. So there you go. That's the Apollo Electric Caravan Steadies. Feel free to contact us so you can find out with a dealer near you. It's apollo12v.co.nz.